放饭了，午餐人。
My meal? They just put it on the floor? Wait, did my stream die? No, I didn't notice. YouTube suspended me? What? I got blocked? No. Did I? Hold on. For what? For 2 minutes? What did I do? They don't say anything to me. Policy violation? Are you allowed to post this game on YouTube? I've seen people. Right? If my channel gets deleted the day before my birthday for streaming this game, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna cry. Guards, they really put me in jail. They really did. YouTube is just as dangerous. Twitch stream incoming.